Hello everyone, friends. This is the Weller channel. Today I'll show you how to unban your Roblox account. First, we need to open any browser and go to Roblox here. Then we need to scroll down and click on Help. There. Next, go to Roblox account. Select the issue you need or another one. Yes, for example, click here and select Customer Support. There. And here's Contact Us. Enter your account username, name and email address where you'll receive the response. You need to write it again. Next, select your device. There. Here you need to choose the type of appeal. You can choose any, but let's select, for example, let's choose the first option here and write either an apology or proof that you're right. Yes, make sure to write in English using a translator if needed, and then submit your request. This has been Weller. Like and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye, everyone.